Well, it's Monk's 98th birthday, so maybe I'll play a little bit of a Monk tune. So anyway, I was talking about, is it on? It's kind of in disarray right now. But the audience would sit over here, and I set up folding chairs, and we can usually fit about 30 people. The infrastructure of playing music is sometimes difficult to navigate. It takes a lot of energy, and sometimes it's just easier to, you know, put together your own concert with your own space. I'm Christian Asplund. I'm a composer, and that's, yeah, the house concert thing is just, for me, it's saying, what is music? Well, music is people getting together and making sounds for each other. It's an interesting instrument because you actually lower the pitch by putting your hand in, which is counterintuitive. Actually, I don't know why that works that way. I've been doing different types of performances in my home for quite a while now, probably 15 years or so. The garage just seemed like a perfect place. Cleaned it up and made it very minor modifications, and started doing these shows every week. I'm not very good at it, and they were group shows. You know, we'd invite people. We tried to get poets and musicians, and a little bit of dance, even a puppet person. To me, the difference between art and entertainment is that I think art changes people, and entertainment can be good, but it's not designed to do that. It's designed to, you know, confirm whatever people are already, what their values are already, or to be a diversion. So the great thing about my being able to do this series is that I've been able to try a lot of things out and experiment.